Students can sign into Planbook to view lesson plans, homework, and even grades from all their teachers. To sign into your student account, first navigate to the Planbook login page. From there, enter the email address or user ID provided by your school, followed by the student key provided by your school. Be sure to click the Sign In button rather than the Sign Up button to continue. Classes that have been assigned to you will appear automatically. To add another class, click the Add icon in the top right menu. Then enter the join code provided by your teacher and click the Save icon to save your changes. If you enter an incorrect join code, please email the name of the class and teacher's name to support@planbook.com to be removed from the class. Or navigate to User Settings and click Contact Us. From there, your student account is all set.